Hey y'all, welcome back to Rooster's Recipe. Alright babe, you want to tell them what we're making tonight?
We're making Chicken Alfredo Casserole tonight.
Yep, after we had our Krispy Kreme this weekend.
Donuts. So first you will need 1 16-ounce box of ziti or any kind of noodles you want. Macaroni or
Penny pasta
or spaghetti. Next you will need 2 jars of Alfredo sauce, any kind of your choice.
These are our favorite, garlic Alfredo, of course. You know how much I love my garlic.
Yeah, love garlic. Glad I'm not a vampire. So then you will need 2 cups of Italian blend cheese. Then you will need 2 cups of chicken. We got a rotisserie chicken from Sam's and I chopped it up and this is what it looks like.
Yes, y'all know that rotisserie chicken from Sam's is on point. All right, so right here, I made this little masterpiece up. I don't even know if you remember what's in it, do you?
No, I do not. That's a masterpiece you did.
Okay, so we've got garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and salt. And I will leave all of the amounts down below in the description box.
Next, you'll need some butter and about a cup of chopped bacon.
Yes. And then this is just fresh parsley that we chopped up. We're gonna use this as more of a garnish at the end.
So first you're gonna preheat your oven to 350.
And then you need to boil all 16 ounces of your ziti pasta. All right, so we're just gonna use this pan that I got from the Dollar Tree like a long time ago and never used. Same size as a 9x13, and of course Alex is going to spray it because that's what he does. All right, so now we are going to move over to the saucepan. We have drained our ziti.
And now we're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna get my finger.
You know Alex, he's got to use the finger in there.
See?
Gross.
Now you're going to add your 2 jars of Alfredo sauce.
When we were listing out the ingredients, we forgot to tell you, you will need 1 cup of milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that cup of milk into this mixture. And then we're gonna grab our spices. So he's gonna dump all of our spices in, Italian seasoning, pepper, garlic powder, and salt, and whisk it all together.
So once all your butter is melted, now you're going to add about half of your shredded cheese.
And then you're gonna whisk all of that together. That looks so delicious.
So now you're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes and whisk occasionally.
So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and add the ziti noodles, all 16 ounces to your pan. Yes, I know it looks really full.
So now you're going to add your chicken.
Mix it up in there. Make sure your hands are clean.
No,
They better be.
get that better flavoring in there.
Gross.
Now you're going to add your bacon.
Ooh, bacon.
And of course you got to mix that up too.
I just feel like you enjoy doing this. Look, you about lost a piece.
I didn't lose a piece.
Do you get satisfaction out of doing that?
No.
Caressing move with the ziti?
No.
All right, so it looks like our Alfredo mixture is about done melting. We've cooked it for 5 minutes, so we're gonna pour it over top of our casserole.
So now you're going to mix it up. So you make sure you get all the pasta, sauce, chicken, bacon, all of it mixed up.
This is really satisfying to him. I feel it in my soul.
It is.
It actually looks so good.
It does. I can eat it like this.
I'm pretty sure we probably could, but we are going to bake it in the oven. So before we stick it in the oven, we are going to top our Alfredo mixture with the rest of our shredded Italian cheese. And you can garnish it with some parsley. That's what we're gonna do. Oh my goodness, that looks so good, and we haven't even put it in the oven yet. All right, it's ready to go in the oven.
Yummy.
How long are we gonna cook it for?
I'm gonna cook it for 35 minutes.
On 350 degrees.
On 350 degrees.
Yes, oh my gosh, that looks so good.
So you know what time it is? Tasting time.
Woo! I'm just gonna be honest with you here. We are gonna do the taste test here in the kitchen, and then we're going right into the bedroom and eating the rest of it in the bed and watching Big Brother. Thank you, have a lovely day. All right.
Try not to make a mess here.
I want more.
Want more.
Would you not? Perfect. Here's my bowl.
Yeah.
That's all you got, all that juice.
Yeah.
Of course, Alex and his jalapeno on the side. No garlic bread here. All right, so now we're ready for our taste test, our handy dandy taste test.
My jalapeno.
And our drinks.
Yeah, I'm drinking out of her purple.
What did you do with yours? I bought him one
Somewhere around here.
because I lost his last one. All right, let's give this a try. This is what your up close and personal look at your head. Look at
1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
Man.
This is so good. You know what I think added the extra flavor? We've made it, we didn't put that in our casserole. We've made this before, or I've made this before, and I didn't use bacon. And this time using bacon, I feel like gives it that extra flavor you need.
Amazing. Perfect.
Did you see him take a straight up bite out of a jalapeno?
Jalapeno.
The crunch.
It's very good. I like the way that it's, once you bake it, it puts a little crust on top of it, but also when you get past the crust, it has that wonderful moisture.
Honestly, you could have probably just stirred this up together in the pasta sauce and ate it by itself, but baking it allows for that extra crunch, and it's so delicious.
If you want it extra crunchy, get your jalapeno.
Or spicy, or extra trip to the bathroom, whichever you please. But with all that being said, if you like our channel and you like what you saw, what do you think you should do?
Hit that subscribe button.
Yes, it's red. It's bright and easy to see. And give us a thumbs up. Yes. And we will see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
All right, so today we're making something super quick and easy. You probably already have everything in your pantry to make this. And what are we making?
What are we making?
Oh my God.
Something chicken.
He did this last week. He knows exactly what we're making.
Chicken. I don't know. I have to look at the recipe.
You look so short and I look so tall.
Zucchini.
No, ziti.
Ziti to the pan.
When we were listing out the ingredients, we forgot to tell you, you will need 1 cup of butter.
If you like our channel, hit the subscribe button.